Buổi sáng ở nhà bạn thường bắt đầu thế nào? Liệu có giống với buổi sáng giữa mẹ và con trong đoạn hội thoại tiếng Anh dễ thương này không? Chào mừng bạn đến với Lily Heidi, EQ and STEM for Kids, kênh giúp trẻ em và người mới bắt đầu luyện đọc tiếng Anh qua những cuộc trò chuyện gần gũi mỗi ngày. Trong video này, bạn sẽ được nghe, lặp lại và luyện nói từng câu tiếng Anh với tốc độ chậm, rõ ràng, chuẩn như người bản xứ. Nhớ lặp lại mỗi câu sau khi nghe nhé. Cùng bắt đầu với đoạn hội thoại Morning Conversation, Getting Ready for School. How does your morning usually start at home? Is it anything like this sweet English conversation between a mom and her child? Welcome to Lily and Heidi, EQ and STEM for Kids, the channel where kids and English beginners practice reading English through simple, everyday dialogues. In this video, you'll listen, repeat, and practice speaking English sentence by sentence, slowly, clearly, and naturally, just like a native speaker. Remember to repeat each line after you hear it. Let's begin our dialogue. Morning conversation, getting ready for school. Let's go. Good morning, sweetheart. Time to get up. Good morning, sweetheart. Time to get up. Now's your turn. Just 5 more minutes, please. Just 5 more minutes, please. Now it's your turn. Come on, we don't want to be late for school. Come on, we don't want to be late for school. Now you say it. Okay, I'm getting up now. Okay, I'm getting up now. Now you try it. Good job. Let's go brush your teeth and wash your face. Good job. Let's go brush your teeth and wash your face. Can you try and say it? Can I wear my blue shirt today? Can I wear my blue shirt today? Now it's your turn. Sure, it's all clean and ready for you. Sure, it's all clean and ready for you. Now you say it. Yay! I like that one. Yay! I like that one. Can you say it? Breakfast is on the table. Eat up. It's your favorite. Eggs and toast. Breakfast is on the table. Eat up. It's your favorite. Eggs and toast. Can you try and say it? Yum! Thank you, Mom. Yum! Thank you, Mom. Now it's your turn. You're welcome, honey. Don't forget to drink some water too. You're welcome, honey. Don't forget to drink some water too. Now you say it. Mom, where's my backpack? Mom, where's my backpack? it's your turn. It's right here by the door. I already put your lunch inside. It's right here by the door. I already put your lunch inside. Can you try and say it? Thanks, Mom. You always remember everything, Mom. Thanks, Mom. You always remember everything, Mom. Can you say it? That's what moms do. Ready to go? That's what moms do. Ready to go? Now it's your turn. Yep, let's go to school. Yep, let's go to school. Now you say it. Tuyệt vời! Bạn vừa hoàn thành phần luyện đọc hôm nay rồi đó. Nhớ xem lại mỗi ngày để nói tiếng Anh ngày càng tự nhiên và trôi chảy hơn nhé. Nếu bạn thấy video này hữu ích, đừng quên bấm like và đăng ký kênh để cùng luyện tập mỗi ngày. Và hãy bật chuông thông báo để không bỏ lỡ những bài học tiếp theo nhé. Great work! You've just finished today's reading practice. Remember to watch it again every day to speak English more naturally and fluently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily practice. And turn on the bell so you won't miss the next lesson.